guys, it's Karen from Waterfall Acrylics. Welcome to my fluid art channel. Thanks for checking me out and watching and spending your precious time. I do appreciate it very much. I gotta say, the last two videos have been interesting. A lot of strong opinions, which is the best thing about art is no one's wrong. It's like your opinion is your opinion, doesn't make you right or wrong, and I love that about it. But it did have a lot of opinions on the last video and whether or not to do another painting and do a balloon smash in the middle of a bloom. So I think I will take that on. And then from two videos ago, there were a lot of strong opinions, turning the wrong way, on this guy that I'm still futzing around with adding dots to it. Some people loved it, some people hated it, so it was always fun to read those. So thanks for your input. I filmed this video about 10 days ago. The painting was such that I did not resin it. It just got varnished. And I actually put it up on my new website. Please check out my new website at waterfallacrylics.com. I'll put the link in the description section for you guys. Anyway, I put it up on my website, and it was the very first painting that sold. And I'm telling you this because when you watch it, I think you're going to hear a lot of like huffing and puffing. And it was really interesting to me to watch this video back and like almost physically see my aversion to just doing another bloom, because I did a perfectly lovely blowout, and then you're going to see me deliberately almost destroy it. And it was very instinctive, very intuitive, like, yeah. And you can hear me in the background going, I'm making all these noises, which tells me that's what happens when when you have a technique fatigue, I guess. So definitely this is definitely more deconstructed, and I can't wait for you guys to actually see the next video in a few days where I actually do a deconstructed bloom using this same color palette, because I'm still stuck on it. So only a couple videos to go with it though. And then I have already moved on to a new color palette. And dang, this is really long. Let me get you down. And this is just a little 16 by 16 or 14 by 14, I can't remember. Let's do, I'm going to omit the indigo this time. So kill off the Q-neg. The gold. Waterfall. Lagoon. Little baby dollop of gold. Lamp black. All right. Well, I had fun with the hair dryer because I was making myself lines everywhere, which I love. I don't love the middle of this one at all. Where do I want it? I like these colors. I also like I might have done that too much, but we'll find out. So I wanted to find out. Paint toward the ends. It's so much brighter and happier. Ugh, I have no paint there. None. Yep. Ta-da! I didn't talk much in this one, did I? And I got something in there. I'm loving this. It's cool. I think it was a good save. I just had a bug up my butt. I couldn't do another spin out bloom. And now I want to do spin out bloom and omit the indigo, because this is just so much brighter. Let me move it up and get you guys down for a close-up. The glare is killing me, but that's okay for a minute or two. I want to do some more line work, so a bit of luck, but I feel like all the work I did blowing out like the edges really paid off on this piece. I want to see how big it is. And you can see why I'm still not filming up on my tabletop yet. So this is a 16 by 16. And I just wanted to, I know there's a glare up here, but down here, I just want to grab like some of the CA and pull some thin lines. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see this or not. Through a couple parts, like here. That's not going to show up. Oh, it kind of does. I did it up here. See, like these little wispies? You know, just like little details there. I have a bunch. I want to do one up in the glare here. Anywhere else? I'm in love with this one. I'm so stuck on this color palette, y'all. Now I want to do a 20 by 20. Or another one. I like totally just stuck on this color palette. I don't know what else to say. And it's brighter and happier without the indigo. But the drama, like I'm looking at the first one I did a couple videos ago, and the drama of the indigo can't be denied. So I guess it comes down to preference, but I'm really like feeling this one. I want to add like a little wispy right in there. Not a lot, just, you know, just something to make it look a little more wild. I want some wild details with this. I don't know what it is, but I like it. Let me get you down so you can see it. Okay guys, I'm back with the dried results. Skipping the wet, go right toward the dry stuff. Super happy with how this dried perfectly. And the first thing I want to show you before we look at close up is the sheen. Like, look at this. This will not get resined. And I'm super, super proud of my edges. Look, like it's like that everywhere. So it's not going to get framed. It's going to get hardware and a light varnish. And that's it, because it just doesn't need it. And I wanted to, we'll start down at the bottom because there's waterfall blinging out everywhere. And my favorite thing is, you know, the line work. So all that time I spent, you know, blowing it out, that's what it creates. And this one really held its cell shapes, even though they're stretched out. It's just really pretty. There's the little wispies I made, like there and over there and somewhere else. Lost it now. But really super happy with this guy. I am working on a brand new revamped waterfallacrylics.com website. I will announce when that is up. This piece will be on there for sale, along with like a bunch of other stuff. And yeah, anyway, let me know what you guys think of this one. Take chances. If you think you're going to scrape, look how it paid off. It just, you know, a great save in my view. Don't give up. Yep. Let me flip around. Well, I wish I could show it to you again, but as I said in the beginning, it's sold and I talked your ear off so much. I'm going to keep this short. Thanks for watching. I hope you like it. Just a quick plug to check out the Fluid Art Boutique. It's coming up quick, about a month to go before we hit Santa Fe, New Mexico. And please, if you're coming, hop on to the website and use our discount codes for the hotels, because they're only good, I think, through March 10th. So you only have a little over a week to take advantage of the discount. So we hope to see you there. Until next time, guys, be well, take care, treat people with kindness. Peace out.